Welcome to the Transparent Utah File Converter Account Association page. This page may be skipped most times you create reports. You only need to edit this page if one of three issues takes place. 1. You are a new entity that needs a new account association table created. 2. You've changed the spelling of an existing account. Or 3. You have a new account which you need to add. We'll review the different components of this page and how to add information to the account association table. At the top is the video you're watching, and also the information and FAQ section. This explains what the page is, how you save it, and column descriptions. If while working on this report you wonder what you're supposed to complete and how you do it, you can expand any of these to get more information. For example, if you wanted more information about a UCA column, you could select this and get more information on how to create an appropriate UCA code. Next is the Account Association Information table. This is the main section of the page and what you'll be completing. Let's review how to edit the Account Association table. You can see that for our entity, TestCity 2, we already have some information entered. We have various accounts, whether the account is a revenue, expenditure, or payroll account. We have the Uniform Chart of Accounts codes. We have Fund 1 through 4 information, Organization 1 through 4 information, and Category 1 through 4 information. Let's review these in more detail. These accounts are going to come from your general ledger system, or if you're manually entering all your information, accounts that make common sense to you and match your receipt system. When it comes to transaction types, there are three options you can pick from: revenue, which is RV, expenditure, which is the X, and employee compensation or payroll, which is the PY. Next is the Uniform Chart of Accounts code. This corresponds to the Office of the State Auditor's Chart of Accounts. If this isn't familiar to you, ensure you check our local government resource center or reach out to the Transparent Utah team to learn more about how to create a proper UCA code. If you are a charter school or school district, you'll be using the Utah State Board of Education's Chart of Accounts instead of the Office of the State Auditors. Next are the Fund 1 through 4 columns. These columns are here to help us know more about the self-balancing fund you're using and which one specifically it is, such as a general fund, enterprise fund, and so on. Next are the Organization or Org 1 through 4 columns. These let us know which level in the organization hierarchy is using this account. For example, it can be city, town, or if there's a component unit, that could be under Org 2, and so on. Now to the CAT 1 through 4 columns, which describe what the account transaction is in more detail. And you can go out to 4 levels if need be. For example, we see here that under a payroll account, we can have wages, which is the highest level, and then leave paid or employee benefits, and then life insurance. It's just a way of further describing this account. To edit one of these accounts, simply select one of these cells. So for example, if I wanted this to be health insurance 2, I would click the cell and enter the 2. To add a new account, simply select Add a Row, then enter the information needed. Select the account type, then enter the UCA code. For this example, we use a fake UCA code for an expenditure. Then enter fund information, org information, and finally enter the category information. Notice that we only completed the required fields, which are Fund 1, Org 1, and Cat 1. 2 through 4 level of detail is not required, but encouraged if this detail level is available. To delete an account, either select Delete Last Row, or right-click and select Delete this row to delete a specific row. To undo, select the Undo button. To save the table, select Save Table.